Garu Rauf Hakim Ettuma, Honorable Rauf Hakim. Before that, Honorable Dr. Nalendra Jaitis will take the chair.
ඔබතුමා කතා කරන්න.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable presiding member, in the committee state debate relating to these ministries, time had been inordinately occupied for other subjects such as the delay in the local government elections. I must also add a few comments on behalf of my party that we have always been agitating for early elections, and it is quite apparent that this election system is replete with many inaccuracies and difficulties, and that is why we are facing these stumbling blocks. Therefore, it would be more advisable for us to revert to the earlier system. If we are unable to correct the anomalies that are there in the present system, there is absolutely enough room to revert back to the earlier system, which at least temporarily for the impending elections that we are about to face. And this is something that we must agitate, and we have been talking to the backbenchers of this government as well as many party leaders. They are quite in favor to this idea of reverting back to the earlier system if we are unable to conduct elections according to the current new electoral system. Having said that, may I take the few minutes that are available to speak on the relevant ministry votes. Now we are discussing the votes of the Ministry of Women's and Child Affairs as well as the Ministry of Foreign Employment. Both of these ministries are being led by two able women on our side, Honorable Thalatha Attukorala and Honorable Chandrani Bandara, who have, in my opinion, during their period, have moved beyond the mere symbolism of improving the conditions for women in our country, but have introduced some groundbreaking new changes. The most often spoken about change is the political representation of women issue, which has now been enacted into law, and we have provided a quota for women in the local authority elections, and we will follow it up with the provincial councils and as well as to parliament as well. In this regard, we must congratulate the Women's Caucus in this parliament